Hello. You will have a bold marriage if you marry your strength. That means both of you have the same strength. Your marriage will be bold, and your marriage will not solve. You getting married will not actually solve the real problems of why you should marry. Are you understanding? The partner comes to complete. The partner comes to be a strength in the areas in which you are weak. Most of the times, the reason why some students don't understand some courses is because they don't understand the principle on how to know things you don't know. The Bible says, walk with the wise, you shall be wise. The 100 question is answered in that one phrase. You will know something if you walk with people that knows the thing. So know your weakness.